Oh hey guys, did you know that apparently there is product placement in some YouTube videos? Yeah, it's true. Okay, this isn't an advertisement. Unfortunately, this isn't a sponsorship either. But I would like it to be, because I really like Decathlon, okay? I'm sorry, but I go there a lot and I've bought a lot of things from there, okay? All of these things are from Decathlon. If you don't know what Decathlon is, if you've never been to a Decathlon, first of all, I'm sorry. That's a shame. That's a real shame. It's one of those places I like to go and really take my time walking around, you know, and dream of all the things that I can do. Because basically it's a sports shop, but it's better, more than that. It's a sports and a lifestyle shop, and all the stuff they have is just really well designed, and also, you know, a lot of it is really affordable. Sometimes I look at some stuff and I'm just like, wow, this is great, and it's really good quality. I've had this jersey for like years, and it really wasn't that much money. They have loads of bags, they have loads of clothes, apparel, accessories, like everything you can think of. All I'm saying is, you know, I would love to be part of the team in promoting your products, because genuinely they have helped massively in our cycle tours and in the little adventures that we've had across Europe and the UK. So this video is for you, Decathlon guys. Thank you. We love you. We mention your name a lot of times that I'm actually going to have to put a count on it. To Decathlon!
To Decathlon.
I think that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. You know, other travel vlogs, when they get to their destination, they'll like spend some time there and, you know, go around, maybe have a little montage of
enjoy the sights,
typical
you know,
things that place you would do in that place.
Yeah.
Truth is, we don't really care about the destination that much. Not the same, we don't care about Cologne. We love Cologne.
Yeah, it's a very nice place.
But more about the journey, man.
Yeah.
It's not the destination, it's the journey.
Yeah. It's just a point on a map.
It's just a point on a map that we know will have good hotels and bicycle shops and good coffee and lots of supplies.
It's doable, you know, on a lot of time.
And it's one of those places you can be like, yeah, I've been there. I've been to Cologne, cycled there, you know. Yeah. Today is a rest day. Like, today is the closest we're going to get to a rest day, I think, which will mean...
Well, basically,
you know,
the truth is we're going to Decathlon.
So, you know, we thought we came prepared, but there's always something you forget, you know? And the major thing I forgot in terms of mechanical stuff was chain lube, because after that day of it raining constantly and us cycling outside doing 120 odd K in the rain, our chains have now dried out and obviously lost all their grease and are in a right old state. So they really need a good clean and a good lube. Yeah. Bikes need a bit of a clean as well. Yeah. So we're going to go to our favourite shop, which is Decathlon.
Decathlon.
Can never try. We always try. I thought this might be the one tour that I don't need to go to Decathlon to buy extra things for the bike, but it seems that seems to be the way. Yeah. So there's one like a couple of kilometres away. So we're going to head there. It opens in about an hour. Here's the window. So let's look at the view. Because you may not see too much of Cologne. Oh look, there's a guy on a bike with a trailer, and there's the police. And there's some inspiring German architecture for you. I think it's quite a cycle-friendly city. We've seen a lot of bikes, haven't we?
Yeah, loads of cyclists.
So yeah, let's go. Oh, I wonder where they're going to go. To Decathlon.
Nice.
Hello, it's the afternoon of day 6.
But where are we? Tell them where we are.
Well, yeah, we've left Cologne, which was quite a mission. Always quite fun leaving a big city, and cycling through big cities as well can be quite challenging when you're fully loaded, trying not to get killed or run over and navigate. And then it just so happens that we're actually back at the same petrol station that we stopped at on day 4.
We're not far from Mönchengladbach.
Not far from Mönchengladbach. So, if you are subscribing, I do apologise because you're not really getting your money's worth here. The content is really dull. You're just watching a couple of people go to petrol stations. But hey, that's the way it goes. And we think our sat-nav, our Garmin, probably brought us back here because it's working from the data that we gave it a couple of days ago. So there you go. We are giving Garmin GPS users new data, fresh data. But yes, and funny enough, it's completely different feel today, isn't it? It's
cold.
It's been really cold today and really windy and wet.
Yeah.
So we have booked a apartment, actually, not a hotel this time. We've booked an apartment, and it's got a heated floor. It might not have a bath, but it's got a heated floor. And I reckon if I turn the heated floor up high enough and lay naked on the floor, it'll feel like a bath, and will give my muscles the required kind of effect. So yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Weatherproof for tomorrow.
Weatherproof, yeah. It's going to be even worse tomorrow. It's going to be thunderstorms, lightning, very, very frightening.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd holler up in an apartment tonight, get prepared. And the other thing is there's going to be a kitchen so we can have a hot dinner, which has been like, it'll be the first hot dinner we've had in 6 days. So that will be lovely. God, we really know how to live, huh? So hopefully we'll have some more interesting content than a petrol station. There it is. If you haven't seen a petrol station before, it's a beautiful one. It's a good one.